look at this problem. Lynn, Han, and Kieran are finding the sum of 8 plus 7. We just did this one, so think about it. Lynn thinks about 8 plus 2 plus 5 to find the sum. Mason, is that necessary? Okay. So Lynn thinks about 8 plus 2 plus 5. Han thinks about 7 plus 7 plus 1 to find the sum. And Kieran, is everyone listening? Kieran thinks about 8 plus 8 minus 1 to find the sum. I want you to think about, explain how each student's method works. I want you to solve and see how each one of these, each student solved the problem differently. Is that okay? Ooh. Is it okay if we all solve problems differently?
Yeah.
Yes, so I want you to solve, look at you. Okay, I still don't have eyes, and I'm not understanding why. I'm giving directions over here. Okay. So they all solve it differently. I want you to think about how each of them, each way to solve it is correct. Okay? So, for example, if you're going to look at Lynn, why do you think that she solved it this way? Why do you think she solved it this way?
Which one is Lynn?
8 plus 2 plus 5. How did she get that?
That's 7 plus
Where did the 2 and the 5 come from?
the 2 plus 5.
Let's do this one together. Where did the 2 and the 5 come from? So Lynn solved this. 8 plus 2 plus 5.
Plus 5? Oh.
So, our original problem is 8 plus 7. Where did Lynn solved it 8 plus 2 plus 5. Where did she get the 2 and the 5? Raise your hand. We're not writing anything right now. I want you to have eyes up here. Where did she get the 2 and the 5? Guys, we just did this problem. Where did she get the 2 and the 5? Mason.
Not on there.
Huh?
It's not on there.
What's that on there?
The equation.
So 8 plus 7. Where did she get the 2 and the 5 from? Dylan. She split up what number? 8 or 7? She didn't split up 8 because 8's right here. So which number did she split up? 7. So she found what?
Already gone.
Okay, okay.
She's
So Evelyn said that she found 8 friendly numbers and she split it up. So what are 8 and 2 together? 10. What do we have left over? 5.
15. Oh,
So does that work? Did she solve the problem?
yeah.
Did she do it in a correct way?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is one way to solve it. Now, it says, we're just going to go ahead and do all of them together. It says that Han, allow me to back up, honey. Give Lily some space to read. Han thinks about, so our original problem is 8 plus 7. He thinks about 7 plus 7 plus 1. Who knows how we got that equation? How did we get that equation? Dylan? I'm sorry, Dylan. Caleb, so that way. How did he get that equation? Caitlin.
He used some of the 7 to add to the first 10 column, and then he added his other 7 down at the bottom, and then it was 15.
Not quite. So he's not thinking tens, Frank. I'm gonna think, he's thinking he wanted to find doubles. We know our doubles, don't we? We know our doubles facts. He wants to see,
12.
is this already a double?
Yes. No.
No. So what he wanted, he's like, okay, I know 7 plus 7.
12.
He split up the 8, 7 and 1, because what's 7 plus 1?
8.
8. He split up the 8 into 7 plus 1. And then he found the double. So what's 7 plus 7?
Double. 12.
Not 12.
11. 13.
We need to work on our double facts.
13. 10.
Okay. Watch. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14.
14. We're going to work on our double facts. 14 plus 1 equals what?
15.
15. Did that work?
Yes.
Did he solve the problem?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Hold on.
Minus.
Ooh, Mason's thinking ahead. Okay, but Mason, think about this one. Did 7 plus 7 plus 1 work?
No. Yes.
Yes, 'cause we know from the last one, she got 15 too, right?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Wait till I follow you.
I know all.
Okay, listen, they're all going to equal the same thing if they do it right?
Yeah.
They all solve the problem differently. We talked about how we can all,
8 plus 8 is 16.
hey, I know you're excited to tell me, but I want you to wait until I ask, okay?
8 plus 8
Dylan's ready to. So, Kieran solved the problem
8 plus 8 minus 1.
8 plus 8 minus 1. Where did she get that? I want to start with that. Where did that come from? Mason.
The 8 plus 7 is 15.
Well, but where specifically? We have our 8. Why 8 minus 1? So 7 equals 8 minus 1, right?
Yeah.
She didn't take it out of the 7, but she made another equation that worked with it, right? Table 3, I need eyes over here.
Here.
So, that picture. 8 plus 8, so it looks like Kieran wanted to find the double. What's 8 plus 8?
16 minus 1.
So 16, take away 1, equals?
4.
Not 14.
16. Oh, 15.
So, did all 3 of the people solve it correctly?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you think they solved it correctly. All 3 of them. I see about 4 thumbs up. Let's go. Wakey. Okay, all 3 solved it correctly. Did any of them solve it the same as someone else?
No.
No. So,
I got a copy.
okay.
All of them got it.
Evelyn, ask you to back up. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Sophia. Hensley. That's no way to earn the economic dollars. Okay, so we just talked about how lots of people can solve things in different ways. It doesn't necessarily all have to be the same way. We teach you different ways to solve things so that you can solve the problem in whatever way is easiest for you.